On Android phones, normally when you take a screenshot, you can hear a sound. But if you're not hearing that sound on your Android phone, you can enable it by going to Settings. In this video, we'll show you how to enable the screenshot sound on your Android phone. For this, open Settings. When you open Settings, you can see the Search Settings option at the top. Here, search for Screenshot. When you search for Screenshot, you'll see the Screenshot sound option, or something similar, depending on the brand. There may be some small changes according to brands. Anyway, click on Screenshot Sound. I'm using a Poco branded phone. On Poco phones, it's in Additional Settings. And if you're getting confused, just go to Search Settings again and search for Screenshot. Anyway, when you search for it, you can see the Screenshot Sound option. If it's turned off, all you need to do is enable it. After that, when you take a screenshot, you'll hear the screenshot sound. So this is how you can easily enable the screenshot sound on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.